In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy planes in Cabin Crew Simulator. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Buying and managing your planes is an important part of Cabin Crew Simulator. In order to do this, go over to the option to create a new flight. So go to any of these displays here. Choose the option to create a flight, and you will first have to select your airplane. So you will start the experience with the ERJ-145. And if you look below, you can find other planes that you can buy. You will progress through all of them eventually. So you don't necessarily have to skip ahead. As you can see, the only one that is blue for me at the current moment is this first one, the CRJ-200. But if I keep playing and I keep getting more and more money, eventually I'll be able to go all the way down to the A380. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is click on any of these and choose the option to buy. Now, of course, you are going to need money. I am a newbie, and sadly, I don't have enough money to purchase even this cheap one. But to keep it simple, you go to the flight display, you choose the option to create a new one, and you will be able to set it up here. You can choose upgrades, you can customize this specific plane that you purchased, and you will be able to get this done. So click on any of the planes that you see displayed below, and you will be able to purchase them. Of course, you can alter the color. It is going to cost you a little bit to do this. You can preview custom designs, and everything will be available for you as long as you choose the option to purchase it when creating a new flight. It is going to be the first thing that you have to set up, and like I said, you will unlock different planes as you keep playing the game. You will progress through all of them, and they will keep getting more and more expensive. So it will take a while for you to collect all of them, but you can get it done. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy planes in Cabin Crew Simulator. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.